woodworking is a timeless craft that allows individuals to create functional and beautiful pieces of furniture, decor, and more from wood. For beginners eager to embark on this fulfilling journey, woodworking plans and projects tailored to their skill level are essential. These resources provide a solid foundation for honing woodworking skills, ensuring a successful and enjoyable experience. Understanding woodworking plans serve as detailed roadmaps for crafting various items, offering step-by-step instructions, measurements, and diagrams. They help beginners learn essential techniques, such as measuring, cutting, joining, and finishing wood. Here are some key aspects of woodworking plans. 1. Materials list. Plans typically include a list of materials and tools required for the project. Beginners should ensure they have all the necessary items before starting. 2. Step-by-step instructions. Plans provide clear, sequential instructions, making it easier for beginners to follow along. They often include images or diagrams to illustrate each step. 3. Cutting diagrams. These visual aids show how to cut the wood pieces efficiently, minimizing waste and errors. 4. Finishing details. Plans may include tips on sanding, staining, or applying finishes to achieve a polished final product. I am the affiliate of a master that sells on Amazon. Click below to get it on Amazon.